today I thought I'd show you some of my pours that I've embellished. Sometimes it's because the pour, I just didn't like it and it was a big fail, or other times it was like, oh, okay, that would be a good background for something. So I'm going to show them to you and then sort of describe what I did. The first one here, this is of course a silhouette, so I just printed something off the computer on thicker paper, cut out a dolphin, traced it, and then painted it black. And then I don't know if you could see, this is like pieces of clear resin. I don't know if you could see that. Anyway, I put that up like it's his, like air that he's breathing. And anyway, then I put polyacrylic on it and finished it off. So that's something you can do. Another thing you can do is this right here. Now this is done with decoupage. First of all, this was a string. No, this was actually it's so old. I just forgot what I did. So I just dropped paint. I blew it out. I didn't like the way it looked, so I used Posca Pens, all kinds of different colors. These are acrylic pens to draw around it. And then after that, I used tissue paper, napkins. Well, not on this one, I didn't use napkins, but anyway, tissue paper. And then I found something outside, like, so I put that there, ended up decoupaging that. Yes, I did use napkins. So what you do is if you find a napkin that you like, usually they come, there's two of them, they're thicker. So I pull the bottom part off where they're really thin, and that's what this peacock was. And then on this one, I just put glitter. Is this the one I put glitter on the spots, glue and glitter, and then I polyacryliced over it. I put some glitter in the middle of the flowers, and anyway, that's another one that I embellished because I didn't like it. Here's one, it's sort of geometric, and this is just cutting out different tissue papers like this. Different colors, laying them down, using, you could probably use glue too, Elmer's glue all. So that's another one I've done. This is the latest one. It was a black and white pour that I just didn't like. So I just doodled on here and put some white, more black, more red, and I used the Posca Pens for that. Different colors. So it turned out pretty cool. And let me see what else. It's another one of my first ones. First started pouring. Here's this. This is mixed media. It's basically I decoupaged everything, cut out different things, used buttons and glitter and just everything. There's a really, can't even hardly see the pour anymore. I used some ink on here. So that's another one I did. This one is a cherry tree. So I just dropped paint and I blew it a little bit, drew the tree in there. This was I'm like, oh, I can use that as a background because I didn't like it. Wasn't enough going on for me. Here's another one that Posca Pens. Let's see. Another pour I didn't like. I think it looks better. It's one of my favorite ones. It's the butterfly. And this one I did also use napkins. So if you go to the dollar store or anywhere and you see a package of napkins that look cool, get them, you never know. I also use just any kind of, has fiber in the paper. You can use anything that you find outside. Trying to see if I can, I don't have the butterfly napkin, but one of the other ones is another kind of napkin I use. Anyway, one of the napkins had printing on it. So, and the butterflies, I just cut those out of a napkin and put those on. So that's pretty cool. I like that one. And then here's a string pull I did. And so I embellished it after, made them look like calla lilies. I think that's what they're called. So that's another way to embellish. Use the Posca Pens for that. Another one that's decoupaged and Posca Pens both. If you can see that. Then I have another peacock here with the leaves that I had dried and flattened. There's that. And this one. Okay, then I did this one. And this one was a picture that I took when I was in Rome at the Colosseum. And so I thought, well, I'll just do a silhouette. So I did a silhouette, sorry for the glare. And just a man looking out onto the Colosseum. Anyway, I did that. So I just traced it and cut it out and pasted it on there. And then the last one, this was a string pull that I really didn't like. So instead of scraping it, I kept it a string pull, but what I did is I just flooded it with Floetrol. And I have a video, another video of how I did this. I just flooded it with Floetrol and just did another string pull right over the old one. And I was able to make it look better anyway than it did before. So there's another video on that. Anyway, I just wanted to show you what you can do. Don't give up on your pours and just keep on pouring. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.